Hello everyone, Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. This is Dr. Nishant Gupta, practicing in Raipur and Bhilai, Chhattisgarh, and I am from the Central India. So we will teach you another interesting remedy today, that is Calcarea silicata, a remedy from the mineral kingdom. And Calcarea silicata is basically a salt, and as we all know, salt are made from the two component, that is cation and the anion. So cation is the calcarea part and anion as the silicata part. So they have the polarity. They have sometimes the polarity. A cation and anion, sometimes they used to oppose each other. So in calcarea as well, calcarea silicata as well, you will find lots of polarity type of relationship. And if you also learn this in depth from the Scholten periodic table. This is Jan Scholten, and this is the periodic table of Scholten. So what we can learn, this calcarea belongs to the fourth row and the second column. Fourth row and the second row. Fourth row which correlates to the work, task, duty and the security. There is always theme of work, task, duty and the security, and it is in the second column. So second column, it is very unstable. The second column is very unstable. So he always, the calcarea group always wanted to be dependent on others for the work, tasks, duties and the securities. And what is where is silicata? That is in the third row and the 10th column. The third row basically what it belongs to the family. It belongs to the relationships. So family and relationship, there is theme of the family and the relationship, and the 10th column, which is more the stable column. Always in this column you will find the rigidity, you will find the stubbornness, you will find the silicata is always, as we all know from the knowledge of materia medica, it is mainly image conscious. So calcarea silicata always has the issues relating to the security of the families, and very stubborn type of person, very unsecure type of person. You can imagine of that of a old man who is very rigid about all his family matters. He don't allow his daughter to go outside the home after 8 p.m. That much rigidity you will find. Lots of dictatorship type of person, akadu uncle, you can find in this type of remedies. So we can show the theme of uncertain image. There are lots of uncertain image. Observe relation families. So you used to observe the relations of the family. Sensitive to criticism of family image. So this is the calcarea part. Very sensitive to the family image. What others think of father. So what others think about. A protective home at home. So always try to protect the home. Withdrawing, timid, fragile. So that was the nature. Withdrawing, timid and fragile. Always very reserved. Always very conservative. Stubborn. Especially very stubborn. That was the silicata usually is. Very stubborn and family minded. So that is the whole theme of calcarea silicata. You can correlate with the security of the family. Very unsecure about the family. He always wanted his family members to be work according to him. That the old narrow-mindedness you will find in calcarea silicata. That's it. And calcarea silicata is made from the calcium silicate. Calcarea belongs to the fourth row and the second column of the periodic table, and silicata belongs to the third row and the 10th column. The major peculiarity of a person used to talk with dead people and have dreams of it. So patient of calcarea silicata, what they used to have, they used to think and talk of lots of dead peoples, and they also have the dreams of dead people. You will find the most marked remedy in dreams of dead people, that is calcarea silicata. Calcarea the comfort the death in the childhood. So lots of death he has seen, lots of death he has confirmed in the childhood. You can check the totality. Death, ailment from confrontation of children in. So children used to confront lots of death in the childhood, especially of the near and dear ones. Delirium curse. After the death, he goes to a delirium, he becomes very quiet. Very quietness you can find in calcarea silicata. Delusion, talking dead people with. So he always used to start talking to the dead people. there was a patient of me, and he also used to say, during the childhood I used to, I have seen the death of my mother, and now as well I used to think that my mother is with me. I sometimes also used to talk to my mother. So you always will have the delusion that he is talking to someone dead. Delusion starts family with, also very conservative about the family's issue, just like sulfur as well. Very conservative about the family issues. There is delusion that their family members will starve. There is fear as well. Delusion, disease has incurable he has. The delusion, he thinks that his disease is incurable. Fear family matters about. Lots of fear you will find out about the family matters. They are always doubtful of recovery, whether he will be able to have to make the recovery of this not or from the illness. That is all about the Calcarea silicata, you can know. Beautiful remedy, and it has a good sphere of action in extremities and GIT as well. Beautiful remedy, and you can use this in lot in autoimmune disorder as well. So Pathak se talks dead people with. Calcarea silicata is the remedy. Hyoscyamus is the other remedy, which is a very good remedy for the delirium state. Headache, forehead, occupation, diversion remedy. So headache in the forehead, occupation and diversion used to ameliorate the pain. Think of this remedy. Pain stool during, lots of pain in the eyes during the stools. Think of this remedy, Calcarea silicata. Mouth ulcers and inflammation. So mouth have ulcer which are very inflamed. Stomach coldness, chilliness, empty vein. So there is lots of coldness and chilliness in the stomach when it is empty. Think of this remedy. Mucus in the air passage, green larynx. So in the larynx you can find lots of greenish type of mucus. Think of this remedy. Hipparcel with the another remedy. Paris quadrifolium is the another remedy. Think of it. Hoarseness, lots of cough, hoarseness in the morning you can find in this remedy. Back stiffness, exercise after, lots of stiffness in the back. Lots of burden related to the security of the families. So in the drug pathology you can find out lots of stiffness in the back region. It's a good remedy for extremities as well. Good sphere of action in extremities, my dear friend. Pain, itching, whether in cold, damp. So there is lots of itching type of pain in cold, damp weather. Think of this remedy. Okay, so me and Dr. Lakshmi Prashanti are doing a Canadian webinar. We'll be starting from 28th of April. Do join us if you are interested, if you are in their zone. We'll learn something new. And this is our 2 books. You can also have that. Do write down to me at nishan.smilebox@gmail.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.